The story of biryani. Here's the real history of biryani based on culinary records and historians' findings. Origins. The word biryani comes from the Persian word biryan, meaning fried before cooking, or birinj, meaning rice. Its roots lie in Persian and Central Asian cooking traditions, where rice was cooked with meat and spices. The dish traveled to the Indian subcontinent with the Mughals in the 16th century. Mughal emperors and their cooks refined it into what we now call biryani. Evolution in India. The Mughals, especially in Delhi, Agra, and Lucknow, developed elaborate biryanis with saffron, dry fruits, and delicate spices. Regional variations spread as Mughal rule extended and local ingredients got blended into the dish. Major styles that emerged. Lucknowi or Awadhi biryani. This style was cooked using the dum pukta method, a slow cooking in sealed pots, with pre-cooked meat and rice layered and resulting in fluffy, separate rice grains and a light flavor. Hyderabadi biryani. Introduced when Mughal governor Asaf Jah first founded Hyderabad in the 18th century. Hyderabadi biryani is bold, spicy, and rich in flavor and uses two styles. Kachi biryani meaning raw marinated meat cooked with rice. Pakki biryani meaning cooked meat layered with rice. Kolkata biryani. Originated when Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was exiled from Lucknow to Kolkata, 1856. Here potatoes were added due to meat scarcity, and it became a signature style. Malabar biryani from Kerala. Influenced by Arab traders along the Malabar coast. Uses short grain rice called jeer kasala, ghee, and spices. Other regional biryanis are Sindhi, Thalasseri, Arcot, Bombay, Dindigul, Ambur and more, each adopting local spices, rice, and cooking styles. There's a belief that Mumtaz Mahal, wife of Emperor Shah Jahan, who built the Taj Mahal, once visited the army barracks. She saw soldiers weak from poor diet and ordered the royal chefs to create a nourishing dish of rice, meat, and spices that could feed many at once. What they prepared was hearty, filling, and delicious. Because it was nutritious and easy to cook in bulk, biryani became popular not only in palaces but also in army camps. Today, biryani is a pan-Indian dish with global love. Every region has its signature version, and it has even spread worldwide with the South Asian diaspora. Despite variations, the core remains the same: aromatic rice, spiced meat or vegetables, and slow cooking for depth of flavor.